Pizza, pizza. Pizza, pizza. Pizza, 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 pizza.
This jealous one. Hindi ni Tami alam yung kinakain niya is merong maliliit na isda.
Good morning, Philippines!
Guys, good morning afternoon. Yeah, good morning afternoon kasi malapit na mag-afternoon at hindi ako nag-vlog. So, good morning afternoon sa inyong lahat dyan. Monday ngayon. Itong si Hubs, iyak na iyak. Katatapos ko lang nag-edit ng dalawang, well actually one video ginawa ko. Yun yung nangyayari sa akin guys. Kapag sobrang taas yung video ko, kinat ko siya into two. Tami is coming here and hindi namin puntahan si Bianan kasi wala siya doon sa bahay ng kapatid ni Tami. Andun siya sa New Jersey. Nagbakasyon sila sa malapit sa dagat kasama yung anak, yung family ng side, anak, basta sila nasa. Alam nyo, excited ako every Monday guys until Friday. Dahil sa Love Island talaga. Yung Love Island ba? Grabe yung Love Island talaga. Naka-love-love talaga. What? You know Dada is coming and you have to wait. Do you know that? He's going to stop somewhere else to pick up the ladder that he bought online. Yeah. And hopefully Dada is safe picking up that ladder because he doesn't know those people who own the ladder. You know, he found that on the app. And hopefully he will text us the address that God forbid happen. We know where he is. Right? We're gonna let Dada know that he need to do. Dada is need to send the address here. Because he'll be here to give you something dindinan, treaties na bunsi. Excited talaga to the pun. Yes, mates. Yeah, aroy rocks. Aroy, ginoo ko kasakit sa imong kukwa. Anyway, so yun guys. So that's what happened guys. Tami will stopping somewhere. And guys, I need to cook some rice. Wala na pala akong rice eh. Ang bilis ko talagang kumain ng rice guys. I don't know when was the last day I bought a bag of rice. And then, now this is what I have left. Kaluka talaga, look. I think that's good. I need to buy more rice. Oh yeah, I know. I know you've been calling me. It's not good to keep calling me. It's still early for lunch. Ha? Ang init ngayon sa labas, guys. You know, yung weed whacker na ginamit ko, guys. Nasira talaga, guys. Hindi ko na nga na-contact si Ani Iskayong. Plano ko pa naman siyang, yung i-message back. Kasi may, you know, nag-chat-chat kami. Kaso, that day talaga, grabe talaga. Nagwi-weedwalk ako sa gilid ng fence kasi mataas na yung damo. So, yung weedwalker, kaya pala sobrang ingay, nabibiyak na, tipak na yung yung weedwalker, di ba, may plate siya. I don't know kung alam nyo yung weedwalker, I will put the picture here. So, and then may plate siya. Yung plate pala, plastic man yun. So, lahat, na siya, na ganun-ganun na. Tinitignan ko, ay sus, ginoo ko, nabiyak. Yung yung, di ba, may screw yan, 4. Nag-hold yung para hindi siya matanggal. Yung 4 talaga, plastic pala, nabiyak. Ibig sabihin, hindi na talaga yan magagamit. Ay, may yan, may warranty ba? Ay, 1 year na. Tignan nga namin kung ilang warranty yan. May warranty yan ba? Sabihin ko kay Tami. Itong rice cooker ko ba is parang may sakit. Kasi paminsan, hindi gumagana. Paminsan, gumagana naman. Oops. Depende lang talaga yan sa kung anong araw. Kasi kapag i-press mo yun doon, pag hindi gumagana, ayaw talaga. Kahit biyak-biyakin mo yan. Oops! Parang sa Bisaya, patukar-tukar ba? What? So, sobrang init lang. Tignan nga natin kung anong mga nangyayari sa buhay. Gusto kong i-text niya yung address. Kasi guys, alam nyo ba na si Tami, naghanap siya ng ladder. Kasi, have you seen our previous vlog na he was cleaning up the wall sa behind, the back wall. Kasi it's very moldy. Kapitbahay namin, ganun din. Maglilinis sila every summer kasi very moldy. And so he was looking online because if you buy a ladder, he need a ladder for, to climb up because sa taas hindi niya maabot. It's expensive if you buy a ladder. And ang nangyayari, and this time Sammy went online. I don't know what. I think Groupon. I don't know which. I think Groupon. His brother-in-law told him about Groupon na may makikita kang mga very inexpensive second-hand product. He been talking to this guy in this area. Not, it's far away here, but it's this area here. He been talking to him and he said he'll pick up the ladder. $35. Mura daw. So, sabi ko, that's really dangerous because there's a lot of, bad, may maraming mga bad people na hindi natin alam, nagbenta online, and then when you go to their house, hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin sa'yo, ganyan. Advance akong mag-isip, guys, as in. So, sabi ko sa kanya, you have to be careful. Send me the address para malaman ko kung saan ka, ganon, kung anong-ano. No, kasi ako guys, advance talaga akong mag-isip, guys, as in. Masama man yan, pero for safety, lalo na sa mga safety. Ay, nako, Lordis. Ilagay natin yon sa ibabaw. Kasi makabusog kasi yung munggo, guys. As in, guys. Makabusog talaga siya, guys. Ang sarap ng rice nito. Kahit hindi siya jasmine. Kasi may pagka-ano talaga siya. Sweet why. Parang siya. Sira na ba to? Hindi pa man. Ito kung maupo doon sa front yard namin ba, sa front porch namin ba, kaso walang upuan. Gusto ko na talagang may upuan doon. You're such a pretty cat. You know that? She's looking at my dish. You're looking at my dish? You cannot have what's in there. You can't. What a beautiful eyes for my little bug. What a beautiful eyes, my baby. I love you very much. Who's over there? Who's over there? Somebody's here, but you don't know who? No, hold on. No.
What? Blue blanket I gave you all my put. Which side do we take it from? Yeah, this side.
Where this one belongs? Where? Tommy, see the snake. This is, oh, it's a little baby. Yung pinatay kong snake sa basement. Oh, it's a little baby. Baby daw, kaloka. Excited? Yes, you are.
You're running from me. What are you hell about? You don't run from me.
Han, she's waiting for your hand to touch her forehead.
Who?
Roxy. No, I'm gonna feed them.
I know what you're waiting.
No, I will feed them. Believe me. That's why I'm not cooking.
Your mama don't want you to get no treats before dinner.
No, hon. Yeah.
Hey, Blue. Hey, Blue.
I need to transfer my laptop kasi yung table na yan, gamitin yan itami. Gamitin niya yan. So, I need to transfer here, right there. Ano pa yung transfer? Ay, they need to eat their dinner. Itong si Tami talaga, guys. Kaya ayaw kumain ng mga ano kapag andito siya. Kasi palaging binibigyan. No! No food! No treats!
The cat did get something, they didn't get nothing.
Yeah, that's why they don't eat their food.
It's not food.
It's still, that's the same thing.
No.
They expect something all the time.
Pizza, pizza. Pizza, pizza. Pizza, 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 pizza.
This jealous one.
Pizza.
Oh.
Nagsiselos, guys. You're jealous. Is he jealous?
Yeah.
Huh?
Scotch.
Do you like?
Yes, hon. You and your protective scotches.
I love you. Han, why you're so tall? I have to do like this all the time, or else I just like. Wala, it's so jealous. Ginoo color. Because Roxy is going crazy.
I can paint ass.
Okay. Okay, here's your food. Do you want dinner now?
You got yogurt? Really?
Yeah, you should try that though. I see that advertised all the time, that OUI.
Yeah.
How to pronounce it, Han?
Oui.
We?
Oui.
Han, it's OUI.
French. Oui.
Han, that's how you pronounce OUI. OUI, OUI.
Oui.
Please hang up and try
Han,
again.
Oui. French.
you don't know how to is alphabet? OUI. OUI. Han. He got, how tall is the ladder you got?
32 feet.
32 feet. Oh my god. It's adjustable, right? What you got? It's like that. You know what we should do? I will climb the ladder, spray, because it's dangerous for you. So I'll do it, okay? I'll do it. Han? If you fall, this saw their daddy eating pork adobo. And Roxy is like, doesn't wanna even touch her food now. Guys, the flower that I have over here in front of me, it's growing, yeah. It's growing. It's not coconut milk, Han. But it's the same thing, you know, it's just coconut milk. You like this flower over here in front of me.
Not flowers?
It says, "Hi friend, call me Ivy."
No, it's ivy.
Huh?
Ivy growing like crazy.
Yeah, it's an ivy. It's growing, it's crawling.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I like that.
That's what ivy does. It crawls all over everything.
Yeah. Ivy, it's right here, guys. Look. It's growing, guys. Si Ivy, tumutubo.
It'll stick to the walls, it'll stick to everything.
Put that in the thing. Stick in the wall. That's not what you're talking about. Tommy want a pizza, but he like my cooking. He like pork adobo. Which one do you like?
What?
Pizza, pork adobo, mongo, what? Dinner.
I like them all.
You like them all?
Which one do I like?
Pizza food also?
An?
Nikita, yummy, yummy. Nag-worry siya, guys. Makita yung tiyan niya, guys. Yung monkey. My big monkey here. Don't smoke.
I smoke, you know that. I
Oh,
smoke.
God.
My God, I smoke. You know I smoke. I smoke since long before I met you.
Yeah, but you should stop, huh?
Yeah, I should do a lot of things.
Hey, look.
Your jealous daughter's sitting there. Oh, yeah.
Good girls. Oy, who ate din? You did eat din. The two of you were so good. We're playing outside, guys. It's so playful, man, Roxy. You're so playful, oy. You're so playful, baby. We're dinnering, guys. We are eating dinnering. And hindi ni Tommy alam yung kinakain niya is merong maliliit na isda. Rayhan?
Yeah.
Wala kang alam.
And you save a little list to bring over to.
Hmm?
Save a little list to bring to Mom on Wednesday.
Okay.
Turn around, pat you in the back.
No, it's okay. Did you eat this? It's different from
Oh, it tastes right.
yeah, I know, but it's not coconut milk. Is it hot enough?
Yeah.
Why you think you're gonna give the dog something?
'Cause I told her that earlier.
Han, eat the pork with this and it's good. While you're eating this, eat pork. No, it's good, Han. Believe me, Han. Just follow what I did. Takot ako baka makita yung isdang maliit. The pork is good eating with this. It's not like, you know, it's different, Han, when you're eating. That's why in Filipino, you have rice and vegetables. You eat it together with whatever you have. You cannot just ignore
I might
it.
eat your own way, hon.
But I will teach you what is good.
Okay.
If you eat salad, you eat it the last part of our program.
There's a reason why they do different in America.
Okay, explain it. Why did you do it that? Oh, you're eating, don't worry. Why the salad is first?
This way you're full before you finish your meal, and you don't feel like if you went to a restaurant, you didn't get enough to eat.
Is that what it is?
Hmm?
It's ham? Wala niya, parang may nakita siya pero hindi niya pinapansin. My vegetables is really cold.
Put it back in.
No.
Mm-mm.
You want more rice? Vegetables? Munggo is very filling, Han.
Hmm?
Munggo
Yeah.
is very filling.
Yes.
Itong eggplant kailangan na talagang i-transfer. Lumaki na sila. Drink a lot of water. It is very...
Well, she's got a problem with grass or something.
Yeah, there's no air today whatsoever.
No, there's a nice little breeze, but nothing moving the clouds.
Yeah, but it's not like the normal, like, bzzz,
No,
breezy.
but it's a nice. The temperature's cooled down and the breeze is nice. So right now it's nice out here.
Katatapos lang namin kumain. Hummingbird, guys. It's trying to drink over there. I don't know if you can see. Yan.
Time lapse, and you can see it's wings flapping.
Yeah. Hummingbird. I have a lot of eggplant over there though. Need to be replant.
And you need more pots.
But no, not pots. I need the soil. I need the ground where I can dig it. But you are not done over there washing that wall, so you're still gonna step on the water there.
You're not gonna use it. You're not gonna put them over there. You're gonna put them over there.
Hey guys, I'm going to end this vlog really early. I mean, it's not early anymore. Ang time check right now, it is what time is it? You have a watch?
It's off.
Ay gee, it's something na for sure tonight. Salamat guys sa panonood. I will see you guys na lang sa mga susunod, or see you bukas. You know, everyday vlog naman tayo, so I will see you. And masakit pa rin yung ulo ko, and I think dahil ito sa hindi pa rin nawawala yung dugo ko. Well, anyway. But anyway, guys, thank you guys.
Rockabye, rockabye.